Welcome back, beautiful people. English Listen Easy is here to help you understand faster.
Hi, Jack. Hi, everyone. Where are we recording today?
We're still in the studio, but let's imagine we're outside today.
Oh, I like that idea. Let's imagine a busy street.
Perfect, because today's topic is about describing what's happening around you.
Yes, more present continuous, but this time about the world around us.
This connects really well with our last two episodes.
It does. We already know the form, so now we just use it more.
I actually really enjoy this part of grammar.
Why is that?
It feels less like rules and more like painting a picture with words.
That's a nice way to think about it, honestly.
I think our listeners will enjoy this style of practice too.
I hope so. Let's start with a simple question, listeners.
Why do we describe our surroundings, Emma?
Good question. It helps us talk about what we see right now.
Like when you're on a call and someone asks, "Where are you?"
Exactly. You might say, I'm at the cafe. People are drinking coffee.
That's a great real-life example.
Thanks. I use sentences like that all the time with my family.
That makes sense. It's a very natural, everyday habit.
Let's build a busy street scene together for our listeners.
Okay. I'm imagining a busy street right now. What do you see?
I see a big crowd of people walking to work.
A crowd of people is walking to work. Nice sentence.
What else do you notice on this busy street?
I notice a woman selling flowers on the corner.
A woman is selling flowers on the corner. Perfect present continuous.
What about cars? What are they doing?
Cars are moving slowly because of all the traffic.
Cars are moving slowly. That sounds like a really busy morning.
It does. Busy streets are perfect for practicing this tense.
What about a delivery person? Do you see one?
Yes, a delivery man is carrying boxes into a shop.
He's carrying boxes. What's happening near the traffic light?
People are waiting to cross the street.
They're waiting to cross. Nice. Very realistic.
This street scene feels really alive now with all these details.
What about sounds? Can we describe sounds with this tense too?
Yes, a dog is barking somewhere. Someone is playing music.
That's true. We use our ears too, not just our eyes.
Exactly. Present continuous helps us describe the whole scene, not just people.
Let's add some weather too. What's the weather doing right now?
Good idea. The sun is shining. The wind is blowing a little.
It's raining a little too. I like imagining a full scene like this.
Me too. It makes grammar feel like a real picture, not just rules.
I remember struggling with this kind of description before.
Really? Tell me about that.
Yes. Someone once asked me, "What's happening outside?" and I froze.
Why did you freeze?
I didn't know how to describe things quickly in English.
What did you say in the end?
I just said, "People walk." Simple form, not continuous. It sounded wrong.
A common mistake, but a good lesson for later.
It really was. After that, I practiced describing things every day.
That's a great habit. Practice really does fix these small mistakes.
Do you have a mistake story too, Emma?
Yes, actually. I once described a busy party and said, "Everyone dance."
Missing the ing and the is or are.
Exactly. My friend laughed and said, "Everyone is dancing, Emma."
That's such a similar mistake to mine.
It really is. I think a lot of learners skip the helping word.
That's a good point. Am, is, are so small but so important.
They really are. Small words can change a whole sentence.
I think we both learned this lesson the hard way.
We did, but now we teach it to our listeners instead.
That's a nice way to think about our mistakes, honestly.
It is. Every mistake becomes a lesson we can share.
Okay, before we continue, let's ask you to subscribe. Subscribe so you don't miss our next episodes. We'd love to have you back.
Yes, please. It really helps our small channel grow.
Now, let's imagine a different place. A busy kitchen.
Oh, fun! What's happening in this kitchen?
My mom is cooking pasta on the stove.
She's cooking pasta. What else is happening?
My little brother is setting the table for dinner.
He's setting the table. Nice and clear.
And our cat is sitting near the door waiting for food.
The cat is sitting and waiting. Two actions together again.
This kitchen is really busy right before dinner.
It sounds like a warm, busy family moment.
What about the smell? Can we describe that too?
Sure. The kitchen is smelling like garlic and tomatoes.
That sounds delicious already. I'm getting hungry just imagining it.
Me too, honestly. Let's move to a different place now.
Let's try one more place. A classroom.
Good idea. What's happening in this classroom?
The teacher is writing on the board.
She's writing on the board. What are the students doing?
Some students are listening carefully. Others are talking quietly.
Some students are listening, others are talking. Great contrast sentence.
I like showing different actions happening at the same time.
Me too. It makes the scene feel really alive and real.
Let's do a quick practice round for our listeners now.
Great idea. I'll describe a place and you tell me what's happening.
Okay, I'm ready.
A beach on a sunny day.
People are swimming. Kids are building sand castles.
Perfect. Next one. A train station.
A crowd is waiting. A train is arriving.
Excellent. You even used crowd and arriving together.
I noticed that too. It felt very natural.
Let me try one from you now.
Okay. A quiet library.
People are reading quietly. A librarian is organizing books.
Correct. That's a perfect calm scene. Very different from the street.
Exactly. This tense works for busy scenes and quiet ones too.
One more round, please. Let's try a mountain hiking trail.
Good one. People are hiking up the trail slowly.
A guide is pointing at something in the distance.
Perfect. That was a great scene, very different from the others.
I really like how many different places we can describe this way.
Me too. The tense works everywhere, busy or quiet, indoors or outdoors.
Let's do a light recap for our listeners.
Sure. We use present continuous to describe what's happening around us.
This works for people, animals, weather, and even sounds.
We can show many actions happening at the same time in one place.
We can also add smells, like the kitchen full of garlic.
True, any sense can help us build a full, real scene.
And we always need am, is, or are with the ing verb.
Pretty much, yeah. That covers describing a scene really well.
Now, let's talk about our word of the episode. What does crowd mean exactly?
A crowd is a big group of people together in one place.
Can you give a simple example?
Sure. A big crowd is waiting outside the stadium.
That's a really clear picture. Lots of people, one place.
Exactly. Crowds usually happen at busy places like stations or concerts.
Can crowd be a verb too, not just a noun?
Yes. People crowd around the singer after the show.
Oh, so it can describe people gathering closely together too.
Exactly right. Both meanings connect to the same idea.
Is crowd always about a lot of people, or can it be small?
Good question. Usually it means quite a lot, not just 3 or 4.
So a small group of friends isn't really a crowd.
Right. That's more like just a group or some people.
That's a helpful difference to understand.
It is. Word choice really depends on the size of the group.
I'll try to use crowd more when I describe busy places. Do you like being in a big crowd, Emma?
Not really, honestly. I feel a little nervous in big crowds.
I understand that. Some people love it, some people don't.
Exactly. It really depends on the person and the situation.
Let's give our listeners a tip now.
My tip is simple. Look out a window and describe what you see.
That's smart. Real windows give you real practice material.
Exactly. Cars, people, birds, weather, there's always something happening.
I sometimes do this while waiting for the bus.
That's a great habit. It turns boring waiting time into practice time.
Yes, and it helps you notice small details in English too.
It really does. Describing the world around us helps you think in English faster.
Do you think this skill helps with speaking too, not just writing?
Definitely. It helps you talk naturally about anything you see.
That's true. You don't need special topics. Just look around you.
Exactly. The world around us gives us endless practice material.
I hope our listeners try this simple exercise soon.
I hope so too. It's such an easy way to practice every day.
Okay, listeners, we're almost at the end of our episode.
If this episode helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe.
We're always working on new episodes for you.
So come back soon for more English fun.
Before we go, let's remember our word, crowd.
Try writing a sentence in the comments using this word.
This will help you remember the word better. You create the context yourself and write it down.
You could write something like, a crowd is walking down the street.
Or, there's a big crowd at the market today.
Great examples. We can't wait to read your sentences.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time, listeners.
Bye for now.